see me looking at you, don't you? You know what's up when I'm looking at you like that. And from the background, you know I'm somewhere. And maybe the noise in the background, maybe the indication as well. Big Ant done found something to eat. I ain't Big Ant for no reason. Now listen to me. Listen to me good. This ain't gonna cost y'all nothing. This is free. Stephanie's Soul Food Spot. I go ahead and give him a good old vote right there. Big Ant right here got him some fried chicken wings, some sweet potatoes, the real ones. Do you hear me when I say? I said the real ones, candy yams. Yeah. And some broccoli and cheese chicken casserole. I mean to tell you, yeah. Let's just take a glance at it. And y'all just tired of looking at me in these little food videos. Don't even worry about it. Just keep scrolling. Cause this is what I do. I find good places. I like to eat. I might even have a show one day. Y'all better tune in. Big Ant's Adventures or something crazy. But yeah, we got that we got them fried chicken wings. Look at that. That's a real, that's a big chicken wing now. That's a real one. You hear what I'm saying? That's a real chicken wing. Man. And real quick, that's them sweet potatoes. That's the real one. I love good stuff. You hear what I'm saying? Okay. Now, that's that cheese and broccoli, chicken, casserole. Real good. Now, Greensboro, North Carolina, Stephanie's got it going on. Do you hear what I say? I said, Big Ant said they got it going on. I'm hollering at y'all in a minute. I got something to do. Turn the camera off, man. I'm about to turn it off. All right, how about?